Navya. Preeti. Garvit. Ashwin Prakash. Vatsal. Drishti.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Hiral. Dhairya Singh. Virat Sachdeva.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Chaitanya.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Shaurya. Dhani. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Kashvi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
After wishing me, please put your audios off. Audios off.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Aradhana. Divyansh. Saksham.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Harchap. Bihan. Put your audios off after you. Good afternoon, beta. Otherwise, it creates disturbance at the back. Samarth. Divansh Babbar. Aditya.
I know.
Dharvi. Put your audios off. Children, you don't understand English or Hindi? Audios off. Otherwise, I have to do after the class, after the taking attendance. I'll do, don't worry.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Ekam.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Krishnendu.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good
beta.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Are you all prepared with the square sheet I told you to write numbers?
Ma'am,
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Yes.
I can see in so many hands. Very good. Harshit.
तो दिखाओ ना मैडम का भी दिखाओ
Kabir. Very good. We'll start working on it very soon. Very good. Very soon we will start working on it. Aditya. Now, right now, let me just, I'll just take few seconds. Aditya Arora is not here. Ayan is not here. Chehak is not here. Cheshna is not here. Garv is not here. Gunjan is not here.
Ma'am, Cheshna has left the school.
Cheshna has left the school. Okay. Okay. Lakshika is not here. Ronak is not here. Shaurya Nagpal is not here. Taraksh is not here. And Tasmiya is not here. Tasmiya is there? No.
Ma'am, Preeti is also not there.
Preeti was here. Preeti was here. I allowed her to enter. Preeti is here. Preeti is here.
Mom, she is here.
She's here. Now, very good children. Keep it on the table only. Let me just start with the meaning of factors and multiples again. Oh my God, children are still coming. Aditya Arora, he has joined. Gunjan has joined. Very good. Ayan has joined. Ayan. Yes. Only now Chehk is not here. Garv is not here. Lakshika is not here. Ronak is not here. Saurabh Nagpal and Taraksh. And Tasmiya joined. Very good. Ayan has joined. Ayan, I allowed you, Ayan. Yes. Okay. Children, please join in time so that we can have good class strength. Today I can see the strength is better. Today I can see 39 children as compared to previous classes. Now I am sharing some screen with you. Listen to me very carefully. I'll first explain you the we'll recapitulate. Yes. I hope everybody is able to see the screen.
Yes.
Okay, the topic is playing.
Yes.
Topic is playing with numbers, and the objective of today's class is that we'll be able to understand. Lakshika is also joining. Children, keep on joining like this. 2 people are there in waiting room. Shaurya Nagpal and Lakshika. Shaurya Nagpal is also joined. So I can see 41 children today. Now, after this chapter, you will be able, after this class, you'll be able to understand the relation between factors and multiples, meaning of prime and composite numbers, and also the prime numbers from 1 to 100 to an activity. Now let's start with, just listen to me and look at the slide very carefully. Comparison between factors and multiples. Factors are the numbers we multiply to get the product. And multiple is that number or the product we get after multiplying the numbers. A number is a factor and multiple of itself. कोई भी नंबर लेंगे वो उसका अपने आप का फैक्टर भी होता है और अपने आप का मल्टीपल भी होता है. Multiple start from where factors end. Very good. Where factors end, multiples start from there. Factors is equal to 1 to number itself, and multiples are number itself to infinity. You can see here factors are here are 1 and 6 are the factors of 6, 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. But similarly 0 is a multiple of 6, 6 is a multiple of 6, 12 is a multiple of 6. So we can keep on finding multiples infinite times. But factors are limited. We cannot have more than 1, 2, 3, 6 and 6 more than these factors of 6. But multiples can be. Now few more examples, factors of few natural numbers. Factor of 1 is 1. Factor of 2 is 1 and 2. Factor of 3 is 1 and 3. Factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. Factor of this slide these PPTs you will get in case you want to note them afterwards. You can note down. Children, please put your audio off. Hanji. Any query?
मैम नव्या और अयान ने अपना ऑडियो डिस्कनेक्ट कर रखा और वह दोबारा से कनेक्ट भी नहीं किया. अब आपकी बात नहीं सुन रहे.
Okay. Navya, why have you changed the setting yourself? You'll not change the settings on your own. You'll not change the settings on your own, Navya.
मैं उसको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा.
Put your audio on, Navya.
उसको ऑडियो है ही नहीं तो कौन से करेगी आप?
कबीर, wait. Navya, put your audio off, otherwise I'll remove you from the class. I'll remove you from the class otherwise. If you want, I can remove. Then
मैम उसको आवाज सुनाई नहीं दे रही है
not connected to audio and cannot speak and cannot listen. What we
okay,
ask.
Navya, please connect to audio. Kabir, you please keep quiet, beta. Disturbance हो रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा. Factors of Navya, please connect to audio. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Few examples we have tried to give you. I hope everybody till now knows how to find factors.
yes
We observe that number 1 has only one factor. That's why we call it as unique number. And there are numbers. I will send this PPT. You can write if you want afterwards. Right now, just focus on understanding. There are numbers that have already, there were exactly 2 factors. This one and number itself, like these, which are pink, colored with pink. These are the numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and 2, which have only 2 factors, 1 and 2. Kabir, mute yourself. Why did you unmute? Why do you unmute again? Don't unmute. Otherwise, I'll take the control from all of you. Hanji, can you see some pink shaded numbers here? These are special type of numbers. They have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Now, there are numbers which have more than 2 factors. In this table, you can see 1 is a unique number. Then these pink numbers shaded with pink at the background are special type of numbers which have only 2 factors. And there are some which have got 3 factors, which have got 4 factors. Let's see why have I showed you this table. See the numbers that have exactly 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. These are called prime numbers. The numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and itself, they are called prime numbers.
Ma'am, how many prime numbers are in the
There is no counting of prime numbers like this. Infinite prime numbers, infinite composite. But between 2 numbers, we can find prime numbers. Like today, we will do one activity where we will find prime numbers between 1 and 100. 1 and 100. We are going to learn how to find prime numbers. Now, discovering prime numbers, sieve of Eratosthenes. Now, how it works? Now, everybody should carry that square sheet which I told you. Everybody should carry that square sheet and keep a color or a sketch pen in your hand ready. I want to see you people doing. I am just talking to boxes. Yes. Keep your pen or any colored pen ready, or you can use a pencil color also to shade. Either you can shade or you can cross. Okay? Anything you can do. Either cross, very good. Anything you can do, either cross or you can shade. Let me start. Let me just tell you a little bit about Eratosthenes. He was a Greek mathematician, astronomer, and a geographer. He invented a method for finding prime numbers that is still used. And this method is called sieve of Eratosthenes. A sieve means it has a hole.
Ma'am, you have to write this.
No. What does the sieve mean? Sieve is a tool which is used to filter out the juice. Similarly, Eratosthenes' sieve will help us to filter out prime numbers. Okay, let's start this. This is 100 chart. Everybody is carrying. Now, shade first as its unique number, or you can cross that. If you don't have right now pencil color with you, you can cross it. Cross kar do beta, 1 go. Cross 1. All of you cross 1. All of you cross
Different
1.
color or sketch pen.
Any color, beta, it doesn't matter. Any color. Either it is mentioned shade. If you don't have right now a color pencil with you, you can use a sketch pen to cross it even. We can cross 1. It's a unique number. Have you can put a cross? Yes, you can put cross. Let me. Can I move to the next step? Can I move to the next step? It was easy. Put your audios.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, please put your audios off. Otherwise, nothing will be audible to others. Nothing is audible to others. Let me see whose video is who's off. Navya, please connect. Navya, please connect. Navya, please connect. Put your, I'll have to do. Put your audios off. Now, what should be the next step? Next step is all the even numbers are to be crossed. Means all the numbers divisible by 2. But we will not start with 2. 2 will be left. Others like 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, all these which are shaded by blue color here, you can even put
Navya,
cross
what do you-
for those.
Ma'am, we have to cross the numbers.
बेटा अगर कलर पेंसिल नहीं है तो क्रॉस कर दो, कलर पेंसिल है तो शेड.
Ma'am, your video is not clear.
Ma'am, but when we have
Excuse me, ma'am. What we have to do?
Your video is not clear, ma'am.
It's not video, it's a PPT. It's a PPT. If you all are quiet, then only it will be
but
visible.
we have crossed
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, your
बच्चा आप
face.
सबने इवन नंबर्स को क्रॉस करना है. 2 को छोड़ के 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. मैं जो नंबर बोल रही हूँ क्रॉस करते जाओ क्रॉस.
Ma'am, I have shaded.
हाँ, shaded is fine. Shaded is fine. 4, 6.
Ma'am,
8.
I have shaded the composite.
कॉम्पोजिट बोला है
Ma'am,
बेटा
I
मैंने
have
कुछ?
shaded the.
हाँ, शेड कर दो या क्रॉस कर दो, एक ही बात है. जो आपके पास अवेलेबल है थिंग्स. इफ यू हैव कलर पेंसिल अवेलेबल यू कैन शेड. इफ यू डोंट हैव कलर पेंसिल अवेलेबल यू कैन क्रॉस विद अ पेन और पेंसिल और एनीथिंग. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, like this till 100. All the even numbers to be crossed. There's nothing in it. इतना मुश्किल थोड़ी है.
I'm done.
Cross out.
Ma'am, 12 also.
Definite. Is 12 not
Ma'am,
an even
Kabir
number?
has done.
Is 12 not an even number? Who asked this 12 also?
Samarth Ma'am, I'm done.
I'm done.
Let everybody do. Let everybody finish. Let everybody finish.
I'm done.
Odd numbers from different color.
I'm done.
Wait. Only even numbers. Or these even numbers are the multiples of 2. ये सारे 2 के multiples हैं. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. But I have shaded with blue color. They are multiples of 2. Aradhya, can you see the screen clearly? Aradhya, can you see the screen clearly? Very good. Screen नजर आ रही है बेटा ठीक से? हरजब, screen नजर आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am. Oh. Ma'am, done the activity. I'm not. This is blood.
I'm done. Do anything else?
Wait. Don't switch on your audio without my permission.
Finish.
No child will switch on audio without my permission. Otherwise, I'll take the permission. You keep on speaking. No child will start speaking without my permission. He or she has to raise his hand. If I say yes, then only you will speak. And this is also one of the reasons.
Now we
Who spoke without my permission? This way, if you start speaking yourself, it disturbs the whole class. Samarth Khurana, how dare you put yourself on unmute? Samarth, put your audio off. Samarth Khurana, put your audio off, otherwise I'll remove you. Kabir, bolo.
मैम नव्या ने तो कनेक्ट कर लिया ऑडियो, चैतन्य ने अब डिस्कनेक्ट कर लिया।
So you just mind your work, doesn't matter, leave it. Now, should I go for the next step? You can show my thumb.
Yes.
Who said yes? I told you, you will not speak without my. इसीलिए बेटा सबका blur नजर आ रहा है. Strength of the class is 40, and if you all start speaking together, it will be blurred. Even my screen has started blur. Till now, never ever it happened. Now, next step is multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. Multiples of 3, you know how to find? Start with 6. 6, 9, 12 is already crossed. 15, 18, 21, 24.
मैम इनको करना है।
हाँ जी, क्रॉस करो इनको, क्रॉस करो या शेड करो, whatever possible. जो पिंक मैम ने शेड किए हैं, 3 के मल्टीपल्स को क्रॉस करेंगे. क्रॉस द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3. Cross the multiples of 3. Cross the multiples of 3. सिक्स से स्टार्ट करो काउंटिंग करना, दो गैप छोड़ते जाओ, क्रॉस करते जाओ, दो गैप छोड़ते जाओ, क्रॉस करते जाओ. जो ऑलरेडी क्रॉस है उसको क्रॉस करने की, we don't need to cross them again. 12 was already crossed. 18 was already crossed. Virat, bolo.
I'm done till here.
Very good. Let everybody finish.
I'm done. Ma'am, we have to cross 21, 15, 27, 39, 9.
I'm done.
21, 27, 24
Ma'am, we
को
have
already
to cross that.
सारे मल्टीपल्स 3 के जितने भी मल्टीपल्स हैं सबको क्रॉस करेंगे 99 तक.
Done.
99 तक. Till 99 you will cross all the multiples of 3. Till 99 you will cross all the multiples of 3. I hope
मैम मैंने
You
आगे
all-
वाली शीट ली थी।
very good. I hope you all have crossed the multiples of 3.
Yes.
मैम देख लो।
Aradhana has shown me good.
मैम आई एम आल्सो शाइन।
Who is Krishnendu? Virat. Dhairya. Very good. Viraj. Hiral.
मैम प्लीज सी।
Yansh. Wait. Rehan. Who is this? I'm not able to read the name. Kabir, very good. Very good. Now, good. Now, next is multiple of 5. Multiple of 5. Leave 5. उसके बाद वाले. Numbers ending with 0 and 5. Leave 5. 5 को नहीं करना. 10, 15, already crossed. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Some were already
Ma'am, done.
crossed. Some were already crossed.
I'm done.
Some were already crossed. Very good. Tasmiya is also showing me. Ananya is showing me. Very good. You can post it in your Google Classroom also today. Okay?
मैम मेरा उल्टा लिखा क्यों आ रहा है?
आराध्या, आपका मिरर बेटा वीडियो मिरर ऑन होता है, कोई बात नहीं. आराधना, शौर्या, धानी, very good. I'm not able to see very clearly, but I can see that you people have crossed some numbers. I'll check afterwards. लास्ट में चेक करेंगे सबके नंबर सेम बचे हैं कि नहीं. ठीक है? Now, should I move to the next step? Only one more step is left. Only one more step is left. Now we will cross the multiples of 7. Leave 7. Leave 7 and cross the multiples of 7. 7 को छोड़ के 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21 already cut है. 7 to the 28 already cut है. 7 to the 35 already cut है. 7 6 are 42 already cut. 7 7 are 49 to be cut. 77 to be cut. 91 to be cut.
मैम
हाँ
डन.
जी. अब जो कट दो the numbers which we have not cut, they are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. They are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. The numbers which we have not cut, they are the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Let's write those prime numbers. Very good.
कहाँ लिखने हैं?
लिखेंगे बेटा, इसी के शीट में नीचे लिखेंगे. The remaining unshaded numbers are not divisible by any number. These are called prime numbers. You can write
There are
like,
22 prime numbers
you can
between 1 and
circle
100.
them and write like this as I have written. Circle them and write like this: 2 3 5 7. This way it will help you to find the numbers between 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 37, like 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80, 81 to 90. And did you observe that from 91 to 100 we have only one prime number? We have only one prime number between 91 and 100. We have only one prime number between 91 and 100. Only 97. Only 90. No need to copy from here. You should see, check it from your sheet. आपके भी यही नंबर्स बचने चाहिए. अगर आपके सेम नंबर्स नहीं बचे तो मीन्स आपने कहीं गलती की है. अगर सेम नंबर्स नहीं बचे तो इट मीन्स आपने कहीं गलती की है.
मैम डन. डन.
Did you all enjoy today's class?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
I can see the maximum.
Ma'am, yes.
Very good. I can see the maximum strength also today. Maximum strength was today.
मैम क्वेश्चन. मैम 81.
Ma'am, today
मैम
in the previous in the English class there were 46 students.
ओ भाई पूरे सारे. हम सारे थे.
Including principal ma'am.
Very good.
जो
Yes.
हम थे.
Don't worry. Very good. Hiral is showing
हाँ
me.
principal ma'am थी English period.
Let's all clap
Ma'am,
for
we
each
have
other.
to
Very
paste
good.
this
Very
box
good.
in maths notebook. Ma'am, we have to paste this box maths notebook.
If possible, paste or you can keep it
Ma'am,
separately. If
81 नहीं
possible,
है.
paste. अगर possible है तो paste कर दो, नहीं तो अपने पास अलग से रख लो, कोई बात नहीं.
मैम 81 कट होगा.
हाँ जी, 81 कट होगा.
81.
9 के टेबल में आता नहीं. 9 9 7. ये it will come in 3 the table of 3
में भी
also.
आता है.
3 के टेबल
Ma'am,
में
and
कट है.
27 into 3 is
Yes. 3 के टेबल को कट किया है ना हमने, 3 के मल्टीपल्स को, तब कट होगा। यही तो हम बोल रहे थे, चेक करना है सबने सेम नंबर्स आने चाहिए। नाउ
Ma'am, is it okay?
5 वाले रो में तो सिर्फ 5 बचा है।
Excuse me,
Is
ma'am.
it okay?
हाँ जी बोलो।
Ma'am, we have to paste this in the notebook.
If possible, paste, otherwise keep it in separate, doesn't matter. Very good. You can keep it separately also.
This in the maths notebook.
Okay. Now everybody has done. Is there anybody who has not done?
Yes.
Numbers separate.
You can write in.
Also,
You can write in the side also if there is space.
Radha.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, हम जो ये हमने आपने लिखवाया था कि the left of a number are prime numbers, वो हम नोटबुक में भी लिख सकते हैं क्योंकि शीट के उसमें स्पेस नहीं है।
ठीक है बेटा, नोटबुक में लिख लो।
Ma'am, I have done it.
हरदर्द बहुत
Very
अच्छा
good.
सुंदर है।
I am just changing the view. If everybody has done, I am changing the view. In our next class, we will do exercise. Based on prime numbers. बेटा सब एक साथ बोलेंगे तो कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा। मैम ने आपको पहले भी बोला है, nobody will speak without my permission. अगर सब बोलेंगे तो कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा, class cannot continue. और next time we'll start with exercise 3.2. It is based on odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, and one new term will come across, twin primes. Ma'am,
3.2.
3.2. Can I change the view, children? If everybody has done, I want to change the
Yes.
So you can say a prime number is a number that has only two factors, one and itself. Whose video is on? Whose audio is on? Kabir. My God, I don't know why people are not understanding. There are 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. From 25 prime numbers. The prime numbers I am again writing 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These are 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. Now let me just change the view. Is there anybody in the class who has any query?
No.
Okay. Then start writing exercise 3.2. Start writing exercise 3.2.
Ma'am, can you repeat all the prime numbers?
You can check from your book afterwards, beta. Now I have changed the slide. I will send it in Google Classroom. You can check from there. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the heading?
Exercise 3.2.
Okay, ma'am.
Exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2, question number 1. The question says, what is the sum of any two odd numbers? Somebody will tell me from your side. What is the sum of?
Please repeat.
Ma'am, even number.
Yes.
Even number.
How can we do this? How can we do this? We can take any example. Very good. Harjap has raised it. This is a way of asking. This is a way of answering. Clap for Harjap. He has raised his hand. He has not started like you people. Harjap, bolo.
Repeat the question.
Harjap.
Ma'am, multiples of 2 and
Yes.
even numbers.
Whenever we add two odd numbers, the answer is an even number. We can take examples. Take two odd numbers, 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 is 4.
Ma'am, please repeat the
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
बच्चे आपके पास बुक नहीं होती क्या? You can keep a PDF of book or I will write. बोलो लिखो. What is the sum of any two odd numbers? The sum of any two odd numbers is an even number. The sum of any two odd numbers is an even number. Answer of first A part. Next B part. What is the sum of any two even numbers? What is the sum of any two even numbers? Somebody will raise the hand. Sum of any two even numbers. Virat bolo. Virat.
Ma'am, sum of two even numbers is always even. For example, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6.
Very good. So whenever it means whenever we add any two odd numbers, then also we get even number. Whenever we add two even numbers, then also we get even number. So question number 1 is done. Write down the sum of any two even numbers is an even number. Is an even number. So your homework is you will try out true and false of question, exercise 3.2 question number 2. I have sent the PDF of the book in your Google Classroom. You can open from there in case you have not downloaded. Otherwise, you can download from internet.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Or I have also sent the PDF. Question number 2, true and false.
Ma'am, I have book.
Okay, you can write in book then. Dharya bolo. Dharya bolo.
Ma'am, so we can write in the book.
Yes, you can write in the book. Question number 2 I am saying. 1 तो copy में करना था 2. True, false, fill in the blanks we do in book only. True, false and fill in the blanks we do in book. So is there anybody in the class who has Shaurya Khanna bolo? Shaurya? Yes.
Ma'am, we'll do question number 2.
Yes, you will do question number 2.
Ma'am, question.
Kabir bolo.
मैम हमारा पेपर इस हफ्ते होना था ना?
पेपर अभी नहीं होगा, मैं बता देंगे पेपर जब होगा. I'll tell you. I'll inform you.
Okay.
Okay.
मैम हम जो अगर हमारे पास बुक है तो हम जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 करेंगे वो हमें बुक से अपलोड करके भेजना है आपको.
हाँ, कॉपी में कर लेना बेटा. ट्रू फॉल्स लिख लेना. ठीक है. ठीक है.
ओके मैम, गूगल क्लासरूम पे भेजना आप तो फिर.
हाँ जी, भेज देना. I will write in the homework part today. Complete question number 2 of exercise 3.2. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to true, false, and fill in the blanks in the book.
Yes, if you have book, otherwise you can download and from a PDF and only write the answers in your copy, or you can write only answers in your copy. Did you find the class interesting? Did you all enjoy today's class?
Yes,
I'm very happy that you all got the material. Good children.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, you can leave.